Alright guys, so right now we got a couple of jobs, but I gotta do some maintenance on my truck. So this is the new rig that I have now. Still have the same old box that I already built. I haven't finished it yet, but that's the box. So this is the new one. I gotta sell the 95 150. But so yeah, so this is what I have now. It's a 2001 F250. I still had to put the air suspension on the back because the weight is just way too much for the stock suspension. So right now I'm just gonna do later I'll probably do a walk around of the rig, how it is that I have it set up. But for now I'm gonna do the oil change on it and a filter, and might do a fuel filter on it. It depends if I get the chance to make it happen today. If not, that's just gonna be it for now. But yeah, so let me do an oil change on it and then show you how you do that. So let me get underneath the truck and I'll let you know. Alright guys, so basically this is the bolt. I already drained it out, but that's the bolt for the drain on the pan. And as you see, this is the filter. I already drained most of the oil out of it. Right there, and that's the oil cooler. There's the oil cooler housing for the engine oil. Sorry about that. I'm trying to do this one-handed. So now gotta do the new filter on. Alright. Now you want to make sure that this is tied down as best as you possibly can. That way it doesn't have any leakage. And then always clean your surroundings so you know if there's a leak, so you can address it next time. But okay, so that's tight. We clean here. Make sure that the washer that is in here, you replace it. That way you don't have a leakage. If it's a good washer, it still won't leak. But yeah, oil changes that, and now we just gotta add the oil to it. And down here I already checked, and I got the bushings here for this arm. They're bad, so I gotta replace those two bushings. But for now, oil change and the oil filter I'm gonna get done up there. So alright, keep you posted. Alright guys, so I already put the oil, so here's the cap, and it's gonna take 6 quarts of oil. So that's where you put it on. And now I gotta take the filter off. I'm probably gonna have to take this one out so I can move it out of the way. So yeah, let me do that real quick, and then we replace the filter on it. Alright guys, so here's the difference. This is a stock one, so you can see that it's not too bad. It was replaced at one point. And then this is the K&N one. So I didn't have to take that off. It's just a matter of unbolting and putting it. So let me put this one in. That kind of sits in that little groove there. And then this pushes in, but you gotta play with that clamp. So let me play with that clamp, put it back on, and that should be also done. Alright guys, so that's done. I also have these hose. I have a brand new one to put on. probably prefer to do that when the engine is cold, but yeah, I guess right now it's pretty warm, so yeah, let me do that when the engine is cold. I don't want to get burned right now. Alright, so yeah, oil change on the filter, that's basic, and you got a fuel filter on the bottom, almost at the bottom of driver's side door by the rail, the chassis there. That's the fuel filter location, but probably not gonna do that right now. But anyways, so yeah, that's it. And I'm gonna be installing a transmission oil cooler, so I could get that separated from the radiator. That way the train doesn't overheat anymore. Because you know, if you run your transmission fluid through the radiator is always running around 200 degrees, 220. It all depends. And that temperature is what transfers into the training. So that's why all the trainings they go and fail, because of the same thing. So I'm going to be mounting a separate radiator with its own fan, and I'm going to be doing that shortly. I still don't know exactly where I'm going to put it at, but it all depends where I could stick it. But I'm pretty sure I'm going to try to put it on the front. If not, anywhere it goes, it'll be fine, as long as it gets somewhat of a clean air, and the fan is going to do the rest. So regardless, it don't matter where it goes. But anyways, hi guys, like always, share, like, subscribe, and yeah, this is my rig for my business. I still haven't done any logos or anything like that, but shortly I'll be doing that. But yeah, I gotta change the fenders, but eventually I'm probably gonna do like a full 2008 front clip. Just gotta get to it, but for now, this is what it is. So yeah, hi guys, like always, share, like, subscribe, keep tuned, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.